You built this?
Yep.
Very nice, man. And you were a 4th order before, now you're 6th.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
More than 6.
You like the 6 more? Better bandwidth too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Wow. What's up, man?
How you been?
Great. Nice little handle. 0 gauge. Nah, don't worry about it. Whoa. How much power are you running now?
47500.
Really? Wow.
Yeah,
Half ohm each? What about your power, battery power and all?
It's 240 amp hour.
Okay. Nice. Whoa. You built this?
Yep.
Very nice, man. And you were a 4th order before, now you're 6th.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
More than 6.
You like the 6 more? Better bandwidth too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can play more lower, high, everything.
What's on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Ruben system be showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021 TDH show. Pretty impressive to see how windy his system was. When you get to the demo, you're going to really impressed. Really windy, efficient system. So this was his previous video thumbnail when he actually had these same subs, I'm pretty sure, in a 4th order enclosure. I put that link in the description. Recommend you can kind of check it out after this demo so you can kind of see how he's adjusted his system and his box, going from a 4th order to a 6th order. So go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. So a quick little commentary on 4th order versus 6th. Usually a 6th order will have a flatter end response bandwidth, a lot more windy, and to know this is a 6th order, that back port behind the box is how you know it's a 6th order. So you're going to get a little bit more of a bandwidth response, play a little bit lower with the 6th order, and you got 2 tunings, so that back port helps with that rear tuning to play the lows a little bit better. With a 4th order, you're going to have a little bit better cone control. Sometimes with a bigger ratio, 4th is actually louder at SPL peak. And with all this power that he's ran, really efficient. You don't have to turn the knob all the way up, and he can get as loud as he needs with a 6th order. With a 6th order, usually you can get a little louder with less power unless you use the ratio aspect to benefit on the 4th. Definitely a lot more topic on that, but I'm going to go ahead and get to the car audio based demo now. I thought that's what y'all are here for. I didn't find out any tunings for this enclosure, but I definitely could tell it played down into the low 20 hertz range really well. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo.